Hey everyone, here's my unboxing and first impressions of this HappyLight. Essentially, it's a light designed to mimic sunlight, so it's very convenient to keep in your bedroom or your workspace, especially during those cloudy or rainy days. It has a few different color tones, so like it has warm white and daylight, and it has a timer option, and then it has 4 different brightness settings. So let's open the box. So there's a few instructions, and it's packaged very securely in this basically egg carton type box over here. And there's the power adapter. So the actual light is secured in this plastic bag. And it's small, but not very small. As you can see, the size of it. And here's the power cable. It's secured here with this tie over here. So basically that's all that's included is the power cable and the light, and also some instruction manuals over here. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.